Great. Hi, everyone, again. Welcome to the final day of DCUS, as I already said. Chicago is situated on the traditional ancestral lands, homelands of the Council of the Three Fires, the Ojibwe, Odawa, and Potawatomi nations. This acknowledgement honors the indigenous people who have historically inhabited the area and continue to practice their traditions. Well, I already asked how everyone is feeling, and we said we are tired and we're excited. And I can't wait to see your reactions at the end of today, which is the deep dive day. And welcome again. My name is Abigail Afi Badago, but I'm mostly called Afi because I think it's quite short and easy to remember. I'm a board member of the Django Software Foundation. I'm the regional executor for Black Python Devs, and I'm the program chair for this conference. So, welcome again. We are so excited to have all of you and all your capacities. How many of you are enjoying Chicago? How many of you have been out, done the river walk, the boat architecture? Wow, so many people. That's great. If you haven't, please take time to explore the city, architecture, the history, food, and everything nice. How many of you have also learned something new? There are so many people with different levels here. Great. I'm happy to see that. Great. Today is a deep dive day, so get ready to absorb and learn more things that are very inspiring. Also, how many of you have made new friends? I know some people here have been here a couple of times, but how many have made a new friend that you've never met before? There's still some people in there who haven't made new friends. Please make new friends. Today is another opportunity, so please seize the day. Now to our code of conduct, which is very important. Part of how we make sure this conference is a very fun experience is through our code of conduct. We want this to be a fun experience for you, and that means a harassment free experience where everyone can have fun regardless of their orientation, disability, gender identity, sexual orientation, physical appearance, body shape or size, background, race, religion, ethnicity, and all that. Be kind to people. Do not insult or put down frameworks or people. Please let us know if you experience this by emailing conduct@DjangoCon US. If you see anything like that, or you pass by and you see any situation like that, you could say, hey, we don't do that here. Because there are some things that we just don't do at DjangoCon US. We don't make offensive jokes. We don't put others down. We don't harass people. We don't assume anyone is not a programmer just because they don't look or sound like it. You get the idea. So be kind, be nice to people. It's a responsibility of everyone here to make sure that this is a very safe environment so that it makes it more fun for everyone else and we come back next year again. To report a code of conduct violation, the best way is to get in contact by email at codeofconduct.djangoconus. But you may also make a direct report to certain people, such as Don Wages, who is around, Peter at the back, and Kudzai. Please include as much as detail as you can about the incident and who you're reporting. Please don't forget to add your contact information so that we can follow up with you to find out details of the experience so that we can, get it solved. When we discuss incidents with people, we anonymize it so that it protects your privacy and you don't get any backlash. Sometimes the one-on-one situations make it very hard to get anonymized reports, but please tell us in your report if there are any backlash so that we can keep that in mind. We will still encourage you to report the situation so that we can protect you and keep you safe. In some cases, when there are multiple reports, we compile them and take action on those series of events. Also, for announcements, if you haven't picked up swags from the tables, please go to the tables and pick up swags. Also, visit 6 Feet Up to grab your swag item. They are very nice people. Speaking of wonderful people, BPD, Black Python Devs, is looking for support and giving out a wonderful piece of art. I believe is still available. And you could talk to Benedict or Tim Schilling for any information. And yeah, we could also use some financial support, so consider talking to them and donating. You could check out details in the hallway journal chat on Slack. Now to another conversation. We need a venue for DjangoCon US for future years, and a call for venue proposals is available on DEFNA.org. If you'd like to have DjangoCon US in your city, you could consider sending a proposal. If you have questions about that process, feel free to talk to a conference chair, Keanya or Peter about it because they've had their proposals accepted in the past. If you have any accessibility issues or problems with the venue here, please email hello@defna.org so that we can be aware and fix it. If you need a quiet room to just relax and think, you could go to the American House. If you need the speaker's green room, is a Shakespeare room. If you need private wellness room, is a lake house room. There's a do not disturb D&D sign on the door, so you could put it there to make sure people don't enter when you are in there. There's also a space for meetings at the Western Stage House. Now to one of the favorite things, food. Lunch service will be outside this whole room, and it's going to be after the lightning talks. So there'll be two buffet lines in the middle of the hall. If you're vegan, vegetarian, kosher or halal, or gluten-free, please check out the third buffet against the wall selections just for you. The staff should be there to assist you, but in case you have any questions, you can feel free to ask any organizer or Peter at the back there. Just also a reminder to pick up your swag and t-shirts from the registration desk if you already haven't. Now, social media. We need to put this conference out there to let people know so that they could plan for next year. Please use the DjangoCon hashtag when posting about the event, and be sure to follow us for more information on next year's details. When taking photos, please be mindful of folks' lanyard colors. Blue means photos are okay, orange means please ask first, and no means no, please no, don't take any photo. Now to our sponsors. We couldn't make this conference a success without our sponsors. For this year, three in particular stepped up in a big way at platinum level. We have 6 Feet Up, RefSys, and MongoDB. Our gold sponsors for this year are Authentic, JBS Solutions, Lincoln Loop, Kraken, and Button Down. Our silver sponsors, Cactus Group, Two Rock Software, Wagtail, and Foxley Talent. And our amazing sponsor, Century, our bronze sponsor. Opportunity grants are funded by the Django Events Foundation North America. You know, I'm sorry, I'm a bit biased. I'm African, so I'm so sorry. Our opportunity grants are funded by the Django Events Foundation North America, the Django Software Foundation, and Python Software Foundation. If you want to speak or give a lightning talk, you could use this link to sign up, and it's the bit.ly/DCUS25 lightning, and it will be here from 12:10 p.m. Sprints will be tomorrow and Friday in the La Salle Ballroom on the 15th floor. Please be sure to get a separate ticket on the website if you plan to attend. You could also submit a project and let us know so that people could hack on, and see the pinned link in the Sprint channel for more information. We'll have videos of all the talks on YouTube, but please take it easy on us because it takes some time for it to process. Almost at the end. Today is the last day of all talks, as I said, and I want to thank everyone, including the organizer team. It took so much effort, sleepless nights, long calls, meetings, discussions, threads spanning 40 comments just in one thread to make this happen. And I'm so happy to see the work that we've put together and what we've achieved.